So that made that feel a lot better. Like, so it's not so flimsy. Hey, really did. I'm not too sure about this piece. This is nice, these graphic 45 things, aren't they? They're beautiful. I could use that there, couldn't I? I don't know if I want to stick it down there or not. What about this piece here that I was going to use for a tag? I could put that there. That'd look really nice on the page, wouldn't it? Both of them. Especially you could write around it. I mean, there's no particular rules. Anyway, I'm going to have to go because I don't know how far this has gone on for. And I will be back next week with some more of Sonia's how I put together a journal. Yes, we're going to make a journal. We're making a journal together, okay? So we're just putting bits that I've put aside to think, oh, that'll be good in a journal. But not necessarily when I was doing it did I think, oh, I'll put all that in the one journal. I just, you know, went through it and thought, well, I do like that and I do like that. And I don't like that next to that one for a start. So, you know what? That's going out of here. That's leaving me a piece. I'm just hoping that I'll keep this bit eventually dry. Yes, and it's dry. All good. Now, I wonder where I can put it near this pink. Near the pink. See? Because the colours from, I'll make sure that's right. The colours from here can go good with that. The lady's head's over here somewhere, a little girl, and they look nice, them colours together, don't they? See? That's really awesome, that is. I like that. So then you can write on here. Maybe I might give it another little bit of stuff. Let me see. Can I write in it? I suppose I could. And just see if you can. What do I put? Peace. That's not how you spell it. Okay, I'll paint over it, but I just want to see if you can write on it, okay? Unless it is, I don't know if it's right or not. Oh dear, well this is fun. I'm having fun. That's the main thing, because we're supposed to make our crafting fun, aren't we? We're not supposed to be stressed out by. Love these two pages together, don't they look awesome? Don't mind that, don't mind them either. I'm going with that. I'm going to keep this. This is sort of going together all right as far as I can see. If anybody thinks it looks funny, just let me know. That looks good. That's okay. That's okay. This is okay. That's good. That one's good. Got to put lots more in here. So we might make two signatures because this is getting a little bit thick and it hasn't got a lot of writing in there yet, has it? Not enough space. Not a lot of writing space, you know. Well, I'm going to be putting something maybe on the top of that. I don't know. This is 1980 actually, this book was. So I might put a bit more of these pages in it. We'll just see what goes, you know, because I've got a few more bits and pieces there that I've got down there in that box. I have another one here that I've started and I haven't finished yet because I've only just got the pages together so far. I might have to start putting the stuff in this because it can be used behind one of these other things that I've got. This one has got hardly any bits of, you know, bits and pieces. It's just very plain. So I don't know what to do, whether to leave it like that or not. Whether to just leave it with the pages or to decorate. This is the question. I might just leave it like that and put a... I have a couple of quilted pieces that I can put on the covers that look good. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and I'm going to see you again next week. Same time next week. I can't remember whether I said it was Monday. I think it is. I think it's going to be Monday. I've got myself a little diary because I'm going to start doing that. And then I can come in here, do whatever sort of crafting I like, just put it up the right day. Okay? So today is Sunday, and today we have the letter F. So that's Franken Fabric, which you probably would have seen it because it's going to go up before this. This one's going up on Monday. On Tuesday, I'm not sure yet. Saturday is going to be stitching, making things out of stuff on Saturday, which I've done the slow stitching on Saturday. And then I'm going to do different things in through the week, which I haven't worked out yet, but there will be days of making actual items, I think. I'm just trying to work my way into doing it, okay? Because I want to do crafting all the time, so I want to... And if I come in here one day and I do, 2 or 3 different things, and I think, I could put this up on a certain day or whatever, and that'll work really good. And that's what I want to do. Instead of just putting a whole heap up, I just have one of interest each day, or something that you like to look at anyway. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.